Hey people, so yesterday that particular video seemed to have done well, like in terms of when I'm speaking about the kind of stones that one should wear. So this is called the rainbow moonstone. You know, if you were to take a look at it, this is how it looks. And the rainbow moonstone is known to keep the mind calm. Like I said, people might wonder why, how is it possible? But I remember I had this certain classmate, a certain classmate back in college, who she was this cute Bengali little girl who always had this serene expression. So I would. It's just amazing, right? Like a serene expression, like as in you could tell that if you annoy her, she'll lose her temper, but otherwise she had a very serene aura, and she had one of the biggest these moonstones that she would wear on her fingers. So at that point it never occurred to me to put two and two together and think that that stone also can play a role, but it truly does. And this sounds weird, it's trust me, this is not like psychological and all, but ever since I've begun wearing this, I'm actually feeling more calm or at peace with the world. Wearing amethyst makes you feel spiritual, but a stone like this makes you feel calm. So that's what, no, like the earth is our mother, and the mother knows her child's different needs. So that's why people try and get yourselves this moonstone. I think it's called the moonstone for a reason. I mean, the moon is known for it. It's a very emotional stone, like in terms of it calms your emotions. So it's almost a 2-minute long video, but the benefits of wearing a moonstone are that it calms your mind and it makes you more at peace. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.